Hey! No! 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 Ah!
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Oh man, this is looking pretty nice. That's a round loaf, symmetric loaf, no front paws, no back paws, no tail. That's a 10 out of 10 loaf right there. Good boy.
Round 1.
Oh!
Oh! I love you so much, Mila.
You should have never trusted me. Oh no.
He's dead.
Did I kill him? We're gonna have to jumpstart his heart. 100 volts. Didn't work.
Oh
200 volts.
Oh
my God. 400 volts.
He's alive!
Scooby. No.
I don't care how long it takes, as long as I...
Mi mascota se llama Dory y ella sabe cuando me va a dar un ataque de ansiedad. Quiero que vean esto, por favor. Vean eso. Ella, no sé dónde ande, creo que está por allá. Ella obviamente pues no sabe que estoy hablando de ella. Ella sabe cuando me va a dar un ataque de ansiedad. Quiero que vean lo que ella hace. No está entrenada, ojo, ella lo hace por amor, quién sabe. Ahí está, mira. Me está viendo, como que ya sabe que sentada en el suelo no es una buena señal. Vean esto. Vean eso. Ay, mi bebé. Cómo la amo, de verdad. Es única.
Love my lady love. My hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you.
Oops, it happened again. It is 4 p.m. I haven't done anything productive, baby.
Wow.
You're in big trouble, though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
We're just going into the vets. Come on, you'll be alright. Come on, relax now, girls. It's just a checkup. You're not going anywhere bad. It's okay. It's just a checkup. You're okay, don't worry. Please. You're gonna be alright. Just give me 2 sec. Oreo. Please. Oreo, please. Just give me 2 seconds. We're gonna get out. Oreo, it's just a quick vet visit.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Exorcizando gatitos ateos. Disculpe, señor. Necesito saber si usted acepta a Cristo en su corazón y en su alma. Señor, ¿acepta usted a Cristo en su corazón? Parece que sí acepta a Cristo en su corazón y en su alma, señor.
Don't talk to me, I'll murder you. All the pain in my heart, I wanna kill you.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight give out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been.
Морти, это же бак... О, зачем ты... Да как же...
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're going to ask for it back.
And I can put it in a blender. And I can put it in a blender. I got my eggs back.
Your demise.
Excuse me, why are you growling? Oh my god!
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
Throwback to when my cat's tail fell off.